Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can generate a image using Gemini. So first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have this Gemini application in your device. Launch it, it will ask you to get logged into your account. You may continue with your Google account. Then you will see a page like this. Now, while giving a prompt, you have to be very detailed. So in my case, I have written create me an image of a man holding a ball in his left hand and a racket to his right, and his opponent is a girl. Now, likewise, if you would like to add more detail, you are free to do so. If you are satisfied with this, select the send button. So it might take around 50 to 60 seconds depending upon the prompt and depending upon your internet connection. So in my case, it took me exactly 15 seconds, and as you can see that this looks quite real. And if you would like, you can also add some changes by asking Gemini specifically that. All you have to do is write your prompt here and it will generate an image for you. So guys, thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.